Singaporeans on average work 45.5 hours per week, and that is approximately 9 hours per day. And doing your household chores like your laundry might be difficult because you might not be free in the daytime. And by being busy in the daytime, you might miss out on the sunlight. And using dryers is only effective to a certain level. Even after using that, you still need the sunlight, the wind, and the heat. Now there are automatic laundry system. What it does is basically dry your clothes for you, and the typical question is, does it work? The main component of drying your clothes is basically heat and wind, and the automatic laundry system does just that. I understand that there's a lot of products out there, and which one should you go to? Well, what a coincidence, we are at Steigen. Steigen is an automatic laundry system brand that helps you dry your clothes. Comparing Steigen to its competitors, it is not only built better, but it also has a better performance. Let me show you why. Typically, these systems use UV ray, but it is only effective for 15 cm. We can see over here that its competitors only gives out room temperature heat, which is not enough to dry your clothes. Well, if you look at Steigen, it gives you just enough heat for you to dry your clothes thoroughly and quickly. And when it comes to wind, most brands out there have a tiny little fan. It's almost as good as computer fan, and that is not gonna work if you are going to dry your clothes. Steigen, on the other hand, has a strong fan that is consistently giving you enough wind to dry your clothes. Here's an infrared video to show you how heat is distributed from the top of the system and down to your clothes. In approximately 1 hour, you can almost completely dry up your wet towel, so you can leave up your clothes overnight and take them down the next day. If you're worried about having a huge blanket or a huge towel, don't worry, Steigen's clever design already thought of that. You can expand the laundry system and dry up your bigger items. A heavy weightlifter, the system's powerful motor lifts up to 35 kilograms of heavy weight with a touch of a button. It also comes with a remote that can be attached to your wall, or you can take it out and use it in the rest of your house. If you like to use your phone instead of the remote, you can actually use it to control your unit. It has a light for dimly lit rooms. It comes in different sizes to fit any size room or apartment. It is anything you need and more. So do check out Steigen, the ultimate drying system.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.